Hello everyone, in this unit conversion video we are going to discuss about the different types of the unit of the power. Okay, so mainly we are going to discuss about the power unit conversion. Okay, so let's start the video. So before starting the video, before jumping into the what is the unit of the power, let's discuss about the what is the power basically. So if I simply give you the simplest definition of the power, so the power is the rate at which work is done. Okay, means work done, the rate. Whenever we are talking about the rate, so we will consider the time obviously, right? So it will be your power, and we can also write P is equal to W by T. Okay, so what will be the unit of the power? So simply see here, what is the unit of the work? The unit of the work is joule, okay, SI unit, and the unit of the time in SI system is second. So joule per second is the unit of the power, okay, and in SI system this joule per second is also known as the watt. Okay, so the first unit of the power is watt, okay, and it is the standard unit of power in the international system of units, SI system. Okay, and we also say the SI system, and 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second, which we simply discussed here. And you can simply say here joule per second is also equivalent to, this joule can be also written as Newton meter, then second. Okay, same you can also further classify this Newton is as kilogram meter per second square into second into meter, and then you can again simplify it, right? Okay, now what is the next unit of power? So the next unit of the power is kilowatt. Okay, this watt is very small unit, right? So that's why the kilowatt and the other unit came into the picture. So this is your kilowatt, kW, okay, which is equivalent to kilo. Whenever the kilo comes into the picture, it means 1000, right? So 1000 watts, and it is commonly used for measuring electrical power in larger application. Mainly you will see in your household application when you like use the electric meter, there you will see the unit, the measurement of the unit is taken as a kilowatt, okay, kilowatt hour. Okay, then the next unit is megawatt. Okay, so simply when we are going now more with the larger plant, see now if we have to measure the power in larger amount, okay, so we will go with the megawatt. So mainly you will see megawatt or gigawatt we use when we deal with the power plants. Okay, so mainly when we see, simply when you have to express the capacity of that power plant, so you use the megawatt or gigawatt, right? So what is megawatt? It is equal to 1 million watts, or simply you can say 1000 kilowatts. Okay, and which is mainly used for the larger power plants and industrial applications. So simply if I say there is one thermal power plant, so what will be the capacity of that power plant? So you can simply express in the megawatt or gigawatt. Then 1 gigawatt is equal to 1 billion watt, or equal to 1000 megawatt. Okay, so whether you can take the reference from watt or you can take the reference from the megawatt, same simply here with kilowatt or watt, right? Fine. Then the next unit is your calories per second. Okay, this calories per second, mainly it is a old metric unit, right? And as we know that 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. So that's why here 1 calories per second is approximately 4.184 joule. Why? Because here 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule, and if you will simply write here joule per second and here calories per second, so it will become your watt, right? Fine. Then the another most commonly used unit you will see, that is mainly we use for the motor, in the case of the motor as well, electric motor, that is horsepower, right? So it is also a unit of power that is originated with steam engines, okay, and 1 horsepower is approximately equal to 745.7 watts, right? Okay, then the next unit is your BTU per hour unit, right? So this BTU stands for British Thermal Unit per Hour, which is used in the United States to measure the heating and cooling capacity, and your 1 BTU per hour is approximately is equal to 0.293 watts, right? So this conversion, if you remember this conversion, it will help you to do the unit conversion. But if you do not remember, no problem, now in Google and there is so many calculators, so no problem, but the basic understanding should be there, okay? That is very, very important. Now the next unit is your foot pound per minute, okay? Foot pound per minute, okay? This is mainly a FPS unit. As we know that there is SI unit, MKS unit, CGS unit, FPS unit, so this is the FPS unit, okay? Now this unit is also used in the United States, okay, and 1 foot pound per minute is approximately equal to 0.0226 watt. Fine. Now the next unit is erg per second, and this erg per second is the CGS unit, centimeter gram second, and the foot per second is foot pound second, right? Okay, this is a smaller unit of power in the CGS system, where 1 erg per second is equal to 0.0000001 watt. Now last unit of the power is joule per second, which we have already discussed, okay? So the watt is also known as the joule per second because it is work done per unit time, and it is also known as the Newton meter per second, and which is also known as the kg meter per second square, that is your Newton into meter into second. So okay, I hope you understood my point. Then it will be kg meter square per second cube. This will be the simplification, right? Okay, so it was the video about the unit conversion of power, okay, and we discussed here the all units of the power which is mainly used in the industry or across the globe, okay, like in United States, in Europe, in India, okay, what is the SI unit, what is the CGS unit, what is the MKS unit, what is the FPS unit of the power, okay? So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please let me in the comments box. I will definitely give the reply as soon as possible. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.